how to send email template in MailChimp. So first, go to your MailChimp dashboard here, and then just click on content here at the left side. Now you'll need to choose email templates since we are sending email templates. So just click on email templates. Then after that, choose any of the templates that you want or you're going to send that you made, and then just click on, let's say I want to send this template here, or this one, the example template. So click on this. Oh wait, no, just click on the drop down arrow here beside it, and then just click on share. Okay, then what you need to do is either share it by email or by URL. So let's say for this example, we're going to share it by email. Just type in the email of the person that you're going to send it to, and then just click on share template, and that's it, you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.